Okay, so it's Lee, Dax79 again, taking things apart. That's what I like doing. So here's a basically there's a disc stuck in this 4 gig slim Xbox. So I'm going to dismantle it, take the disc out. So if you've got a disc stuck in one because you've got a power situation, watch this video and get your disc out. Okay. Real quick way to open it actually, after having a good old look at it. On top here you can see through to a little hole that goes through to the disk drive, a little yellow circle. Press that on there, give it a little shake or so. Disk drive should open. Oh well, enough of that. What it is, you're going to need a T10 as per usual. So the top just pops off. And that is how easy that bit comes off. Put it aside. Also you've got this other bit of plastic which also just pops off. Nothing special. And you put a screwdriver down there or a knife and these will just pop out as well. Press against, in and then push out, in and out, in and out. Little plastic catches. There you go. So yeah, it's just you go in through the hole at the top, and like that, you see, and then just bend it and they pop out. There you go. Then quickly take this out. Just here. Unscrew that. It'll snap later on. Blink. Pops out. Flip it over. And same again, there's 2 bits here. You've got your little catch. There's this end. There you go. Little catch. That comes off, so your hard drive goes. You've got a 250, there it goes. You can get hard drives for them, or you can just get yourself any old slimline, any old slim hard drive for laptops and stuff for that. So nice, and you don't need to get an Xbox one really. And then that part comes up, nice and easy. Once again, in here. In and out, in and out, in, push, pull, it comes. So that's them. So nice and easy, pop out. So much easier to take apart than the original one in a way. Okay, now. We've got to take off the top panel, which is this one here. If you turn it over, where it catches, just like the old Xbox, put that in there, pull, there, pull, see, it just pops apart. And then at the other end, I like to flip them over like that. Flip them over the other side just so they don't clip back again, because on this side, one clip here, alright, pull it apart. While keeping it pulled apart, turn it over, and what it is, you have the sticker here. I've peeled this one off. If broken, the warranty is broken. Well, underneath there, there's a catch. what you do is you press it and the whole thing just pops apart. Yeah, so once you've pressed that, it will pop out like that. Hopefully it won't look too bad. Then front panel comes off like that. Now the front here, the faceplate does pop off, but just here at the top there's a little cable for the buttons. You've got to be careful, if you rip that off you're going to break that. So to get the faceplate off, you've got 2 catches on the hard drive side, you've got 1 catch on the other side, and then we've got to be really careful because of the switches. So basically just here there's a cable going in, there's a little connection, just pops off like that. So that's what it looks like. Careful of that, don't want to break it. Right, so here we go. An Xbox with only 1 X in there now, not 2. Yeah, so you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. A nice big fan. The bit we want is this. A lot of people, when they're trying to get a disc out of one of these, dismantle the thing and it takes forever to sort it out. There's a trick. On the side there's a little hole. Get a small screwdriver, stick it down and press it. This drive opens. We can safely remove the disc without opening that. See, just there. So that's how to get in and out of one of these disk drives. Then all you got to do is put the thing back together again.